Welcome to my channel. Today topic Web concepts. Imagine a world where nobody can share ideas or information. Sounds impossible, right? That's because communication is the foundation of everything we do. Whether it's talking to a friend or sending a message through the internet, communication makes it possible. Let's understand what communication is in a simple and easy way. 1. What is communication? Communication is the process of sending and receiving information, ideas, thoughts, or feelings between two or more people. Online communication is also a form of communication using various channels available in Internet. Modes of communication through Internet: email, instant messaging, chatting, social networking, video conference, blogs and vlogs, e-commerce. Upcoming. What is email, what is instant messaging and chatting, what is video conference, what is social networking, what is vlog and blogs, what is e-commerce means. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.